तो नादानिया मूवी आई है अलग, और एक मूवी जहाँ पे एक नेपो किड्स को मूवी दिया गया है एंड अपेरेंटली दे डोंट हैव द टैलेंट और व्हाटएवर व्हाटएवर। अभी लोगों ने जाके इस बच्चे को, सैफ के बच्चे को जाके इंसल्ट या पता नहीं क्या किया होगा, और उसने बाद में मुंह बोल के he replied back because he said, why should I take it? Look, listen, this is listen, I'm 28. This boy is a child. These two are kids. Please stop bullying kids. And kids are allowed to talk back to you. What is wrong with but I listen, even now I anyways have authority issues, which means, like, do you think like a normal person will just talk to me and I'm going to listen? Why are we expecting celebrities or their kids to do this? Why? I know grace and everything is understandable, but why should they bear the burden of someone else not being able to control how they speak to someone else? Like, if you're criticizing someone, do it properly, no? Do it in a nice way. Half the time I don't criticize is because of that very reason, is because I can't criticize properly. I will do it in a way that'll be insulting, or it'll be very, oh, it'll be fine, and da 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 da. There's like two different sides. Like, one is unhealed, the other one is healed. Give me a second. But on the other end of the spectrum, these are for the Nepo kids. All of you Nepo kids, now and future coming. Your maa baap, what is your Seth? So that will be Karina. Madam, sorry, I'm very bad with names. I was listening to Dil Chahta Hai, that's how I remember Seth now. सुबह हो रहा था. Anyways, आप लोग के पास पैसा है, अपने बच्चों को थेरेपी के पास भेजो, because this will be necessary. Okay? You did not have to deal with the amount of issues that your kids are going to have to deal with going into the film industry. Be better parents. And not that you're not good parents, it's just kids at this point in time, it's not just your kids, it's any kids. They are at a greater chance of having their nervous system irregulated because of the amount of shit that's been going on. Especially taking COVID into account. So, leave kids alone. Kids go to therapy and talk to your friends and everything. And if you want to talk back, it's okay. Just remember, in the long term, that is not the best strategy coming from someone who has been using it. And it feels great. I feel very empowered. But if I start teaching this to my child, as and when I have a child, if I have a child, then that's problematic. So, सुबह उठ के ये करना था मेरे को. Anyway, bye. मैं जो बोल रही थी ना, वो नादानिया, वो सैफ अली खान के बेटे के बारे में, and even there's another Nepo kid. I'm very bad with names. I'm sorry about that. But I was drawing the parallels मेरे खुद की ज़िंदगी में, like, what struggles have I faced. मैं खुद 24 की, when I was 24, I got into the working world and I was like, oh my god, what mistakes I'm making. Anytime I was criticized, I used to be like, oh my god, the world is ending. I don't want that to kind of continue on to anyone else in whatever field they are. Criticisms and mental health challenges. The pandemic hit when I was in mid-20s, and it left me feeling isolated, anxious, and uncertain about the future. How can it just must be really hard for someone who's like literally grown up in the public. I actually created a whole blog about this. I'm better at writing than I am at talking. Sorry, Karina. ma'am. Um, yeah. So and then I wanted to draw parallels कि मेरे को ये दिखाना था कि सिर्फ ये सेलिब्रिटी जो स्ट्रगल है ना वो अकेले में नहीं कर रहा है, हम सब हम सब यही हम okay 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 a generation shared struggle. This is for people born around 2000, okay, growing up in a turbulent world. .com bubble, 2008 global financial crisis. कितने families worldwide, yeah. Then the COVID-19 का pandemic जो हुआ था, लोगों का education, लोगों के काम, लोगों का mental health गया, सब गया. You know, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ like you know इन लोग का generation को और भी अलग अलग चीज़ें का देखना का पड़ रहा है. They have to look at a lot of things and it's just really, we have to give them grace. Anyway, this generation also grew up with Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Listen, the amount of stories we have seen, not just in Bollywood, in Hollywood, in Tollywood, in Korean industry, like literally right now there is a whole publicized case about like someone who committed suicide, and there's like a whole case of the aftermath. Just please stop the bullying. It's just, you know, it's just older generations. Even though your struggles are different, you know, the ones who are commenting and just being a little bit rude, please understand that, you know, even though you guys have a lot more experience and you'll have, you know, a lot more knowledge than me possibly to be a critic, but just understand that y'all are going through, there's a lot of struggles that y'all are facing yourselves as well, which you can kind of connect and have empathy instead of judgment. So like, you know, technology change, global crisis, COVID, these things, and pressures of social media on how to, like, you know, look perfect and have like a perfect image on online. And then mentorship and guidance, like if you have the knowledge and you kind of know what you're doing, please kind of help the younger kids, you know, because collective healing. And a call for awareness and responsibility. ये सिर्फ सैफ अली खान के बच्चे को नहीं है और उस कोस्टा को नहीं है, ये सारे बच्चों को है, सिर्फ सारे नेपो बच्चों को है बॉलीवुड और हॉलीवुड. मैं उनमें से एक हूँ. For every celebrity kid who gets a debut, there are countless talented individuals who lose out on opportunities simply because they don't have the right connections or last name. लेकिन आप लोग को लगता है कि सिर्फ कनेक्शन के बारे में, that's not it. That is not. It's so much more darker. You don't understand. The entertainment industry has a long history of exploitation, abuse, and power imbalance. High profile case आ चुके हैं against men, women और children का भी, कि वो लोग कितना harm हुए हैं because they have been promised something in the industry and because they did not have the right connection and things. So, you know, right now that you're in the industry, please kind of like look out. क्योंकि अभी, you know, y'all have gotten into the industry, y'all are protected, so maybe use that protection. Yeah, consider how you can be an ally to others. Use your platform to advocate for fairness, inclusivity, and accountability. Jitna ho sakta hai, yeah, stand up against exploitation and abuse, and work to create a safer, more equitable environment for everyone. And a message is to wait, yeah. Yeah, also please understand ki the other reason why I wanted to give this message to the Nepo kids is because you'll have to understand the views. I want you guys to also empathize with the views of your fellow artists, you know, that's kind of why I understand this is where it spoke about, you know, children being abused and things like that. I know it's a little bit hard to digest, but this is a reality for some people. So anyway, that's what I wanted to say. And then shared struggle across generations मेरे को दिखाना था कि कैसे हर generation इतना कनेक्टेड है. इट डज नॉट मैटर कि आप हाई प्रोफाइल केस हो या लो प्रोफाइल केस हो. इकोनॉमिक अनसर्टेनिटी 2008 से लेके अब तक भी नहीं, बहुत से लोगों को नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है. उधर के फाइनेंशियल क्रैश और फिर पैंडेमिक पता है 500 वर्ड्स बोलने के बाद आप को गलती होता है. वही ऐसा लाइन में कुछ ऐसा होता है साइकोलॉजी के हिसाब से. उन लोग ने ऐसा वुमेन के लिए 500 और मेन के लिए कुछ और है. आई फॉरगॉट. मैं वुमन हूँ तो मैंने अपना खुद का जो नॉलेज था वो स्टोर करके रखा है अपने दिमाग में. एनीवे, इकोनॉमिक अनसर्टेनिटी from the 2008 financial crisis to the pandemic-induced recession. Economic instability has affected everyone, regardless of age. कोई भी एज अभी देखो ना, बड़े से बड़े लोग अभी रिटायरमेंट का कर रहे हैं या फिर सेविंग्स का कर रहे हैं. छोटे से छोटे लोग अभी सेविंग्स का कर रहे हैं या और फ्यूचर प्लानिंग का कोशिश कर रहे हैं. मेंटल हेल्थ क्राइसिस, राइजिंग कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग, ये सब लोग को महसूस हो रहा है. Oh, you are too sweet. Tap and say no, thank you. Are you? Anyway, yeah. See, and then mental health crisis. ये एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, बर्नआउट अक्रॉस ऑल एजेस हो रहा है. हाँ, अभी लोगों को, मेरे को ना, मैं ओल्डर जनरेशन्स ना, मेरे को द फैक्ट दैट वो लोग रिटायरमेंट एज बढ़ाए जा रहे मेरे को इतना दिमाग ख़राब होता जा रहा है ना, बुरा लग रहा है. क्योंकि लाइक व्हाट अबाउट द पीपल हु डोंट हैव कोई फॉल बैक नहीं है उनके पास. Anyway, the stigma around seeking help is slowly fading, but there's still a long way to go in terms of resources and support. इंडिया में लोग पूछते ही नहीं है लोगों को, एक दूसरे को मदद मांगने के लिए. एक्चुअली नहीं, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. मैं खुद करती हूँ, मैं प्रोजेक्ट नहीं करने वाली बाकी लोगों पे. तो पता नहीं बाकी लोग करते होंगे, आई होप और होता रहे. और हम ऐसा कलेक्टिव ऐसा करें कि क्योंकि बहुत सारे चैरिटीज़, मेरे को पता है बहुत सारे चैरिटीज़ और बहुत सारे इंडिविजुअल पीपल ना प्रॉपरली कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब तक सिस्टम का कुछ चेंज नहीं होता है ना. तो एनीवे, climate change and environmental concerns. Younger generations are vocal about climate change, but older generations are also feeling the impact of environmental degradation. The need for sustainable living and environmental conservation is a shared responsibility. हाँ, मेरे को ना अभी ये मेरे को खुद भी, मैं शेयर तो कर सकती हूँ मैं जितना कर रही हूँ, बट मैंने बस इंक्लूड किया है. दैट्स व्हाई आई पुट द लो वन. Technology overload. While younger generations are digital natives, older generations are grappling with the rapid pace of technology change. और ये इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड सबके साथ हो रहा है. ये यंग जनरेशन को इतना पता चल रहा है, उनको पता है क्या ये यूज़ करना है किस चीज़ के लिए, क्या नहीं यूज़ करना है किस चीज़ के लिए. ओल्डर जनरेशन को वो कीप अप नहीं कर पा रहे, लेकिन इंफॉर्मेशन इतना ज़्यादा होता जा रहा है, इतना ज़्यादा ऐड होता जा रहा है, क्योंकि ह्यूमंस अमेजिंग, सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं हर जगह से, और भी चीज़ें आते जा रहे. सो इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड हो ही रहा है, लेकिन लोगों का दिमाग में दैट इज़ कॉजिंग ऐसा मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं. और फिर सोशल आइसोलेशन पैंडेमिक के बाद दिखा दिया कि एज ग्रुप में ना, अलग अलग एज ग्रुप में कितना क्या उनके खुद के ग्रुप में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं अपने दोस्तों से या बाकी लोगों से हेल्प मांगने के लिए. And then from climate anxiety to political instability, literally existential crises. ये हम सब लोग को है. ये literally अगर हम लोग ये देखने जाए ना, ये सैफ अली खान और करीना कपूर का बेटा होएगा. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just trying to make a point. Please do not be offended. It's just मेरा हिंदी is मुंबई में anyway. वो क्या बोल रही थी, हिंदी है तो खराब. Yeah, see, I got self-conscious about how I was talking, and then it is good. It is good. If I'm self-conscious about how I'm talking, that means that, you know, there is a possibility that I could offend someone, and so, you know, just I could adjust what I'm saying in that moment. Khatam baat. From climate anxiety to political instability. Okay. What I was saying is, ये सैफ अली खान और करीना कपूर का बेटा होएगा. वो कश्मीर गाइस, मैं बोर्डिंग स्कूल में थी. मैं फिर उसके बाद बोर्डिंग स्कूल में फिर सिर्फ हॉलीडेज़ को हम लोग को मिलता था टीवी देखने को, और फिर बाद में जब बड़े हुए तो सिर्फ सैटरडे संडे को. फिर जब घर आती थी हॉलीडेज़ के लिए तभी मूवीज़ वो देख लेती थी. इसलिए आई एम वेरी बैड विथ योर नेम्स एंड ऑल्सो विथ योर स्टोरीज एंड व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन इन योर लाइव्स. एंड देन फिर बाद में जब 18 साल की थी यूके चले गए. फिर उसके बाद अभी रिसेंटली वापस लास्ट ईयर आई हूँ. प्लीज़ डू नॉट बी ऑफेंडेड बाय एनीथिंग. एक्चुअली बी ऑफेंड, यू हैव द राइट. एनीवे, व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज, ही माइट बी, ये लोग होंगे इन बड़े लोगों के. अरे अंबानी का बेटा भी, अंबानी के बच्चे भी. अरे क्या, इवन लिटरली इलॉन मस्क. ये क्लाइमेट चेंज, पॉलिटिकल अनस्टेबिलिटी, ये बार बार ये जो थ्रेड्स होते हैं, ये इडियोटिक पॉलिटिशियंस जो बोलते रहते हैं ना, न्यूक कर देंगे, बॉम्ब कर देंगे. लिटरली व्हाट द फक. तू खुद नहीं है, तुम लोग का खुद का नहीं दिखा रहे हो, बाकी लोगों के एनीवे. पॉइंट इज, ये लोग को भी फील होता है, इन लोग को भी डर लगता है, इनको भी ये जैसे मेरे को अभी ये हो रहा है ना, उनका भी होता होगा शायद, पता नहीं, लेकिन हो ही एक ही टाइम पे हो रहा है ना. तो ऐसा सोच लो कि उनको भी हो रहा होगा. तो यू नो ऐसा. और उसने हाँ पॉइंट ये था कि उसने किसी को रूडली बोल दिया और फिर एक्सेप्ट नो. सी you wait, bridging the gap. It's easy to feel alienated. Also, Mr. the son, the boy, I do not know your name. I looked you up. I'll look you up after again. But the video came up and someone was criticizing the movie, and then the comment section just, anyway. And so I made this video, and now I'm still making it, and I'm talking to myself while talking to myself. Okay, cool. It's easy to feel alienated on your struggles when your struggles seem different from everyone else. But the truth is, this celebrity kid's journey, while unique, is also the reflection of their generation's shared experiences. Mistakes. At 24, they're still figuring out who they are and how to navigate the world. So are their peers. Mistakes like a poor debut or rude response are part of that journey. What matters is how they learn and grow from that. And emotional regulation. Learning to manage stress, criticism, and emotions is a challenge for everyone. For those in spotlights, it's even harder. But it's a skill their generation is collectively working on, whether they're in Bollywood, corporate jobs, or small businesses. Like, everyone has shown like resilience through, like, you know, the fact that, can you imagine, like, even to this day, despite the pandemic and everything, the world is moving. Yes, it's moving in a way that is like tired, and you know, they're like, oh my god, like, you know, I'm just tired, but like they're still moving, and they're moving with such emotional balance and self-compassion. Like they're recognizing that they're tired, but they're still doing it because, like, they don't want, they can turn setbacks into opportunities for growth. That's because they know they can turn these setbacks into opportunities for growth. Like literally around COVID, I watched, because of all of this that happened, I realized like there was something that I needed to do, is like just get out of the rat race in terms of like in the corporate world. And I wanted to do something where it was more healing, not just for myself, but other people, and also something analytical. And I decided to do that. But then it wasn't until fully looking at how tired, like completely experiencing the breakdown of like, okay, you know what? Something needs to change. Here, and listen, right now, this is him talking back to somebody is not that big of a deal. The message of compassion. Oh, I guess I'm winging it. But this is why I write it down. It's easier to read it out. But point is, him responding to a rude comment with rudeness is not character questionable, worthy, or it's not it's not that big of a deal that people are questioning that why are you, like, if you continue to do this you won't survive. No, 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 no. Please understand that we have presidents who are emotionally unstable, as observed by some people. So please do not come after a child. And child, please give yourself some grace. It is not the end of the world. And everyone in your generation right now, the fact that despite everything, you guys are going so well and strong. All of you are connecting more with yourselves, trying to connect with one another. It's just amazing. So keep doing that. But also, oh no, there's no but also, yeah, older generation. Your experiences and wisdom are invaluable. And it is necessary. So please focus on solutions, guidance, and collective healing. Because, the abuse thing, I don't want the different gates, that I don't want that to be in Bollywood, just please. And at the end of the day, the entertainment industry is the reflection of society, its flaws, its potential, and capacity for change. Yes, I grew up on movies like Dil Chahta Hai and, Three Idiots and Wake Up Sid, and I'll tell you there's more others. But these kind of movies, where they kind of told you to, where some artists came through and they, those writers, those writers, thank you, hi, as someone who likes reading, thank you. That was really nice story, and if you ever want to write it for people to read, yeah, you can. And that's, I guess, me. Ayo, bye.